Before my little brother was a basketball superstar, he was a freshman here at Thero High School while I was a senior. We had a chance to play on the same team for a whole season. Just a normal kid from Atlanta, Georgia, with rare talent and limitless potential. We walked these halls, played in this gym, and sat in this auditorium. We didn't know what the future held, but I always knew he was special. I watched my little brother go from a Little League football star to an NBA superstar. Now, he'll get a chance to show the world what I already knew for years, that he is one of the best basketball players in the world. I'm proud to watch him compete on the international stage and show the world how a kid from Atlanta, Georgia can lead his country to a gold medal.
Hey! Mine look the same. Mine look the same as that.
Nice to meet you. You all right?
Football player back in the day.
Yeah, you already knew it.
I know.
I received it. You ever need me?
I got you.
Call me.
Deal.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Deal. Come on, man. Get in there, man.
Thank you.
Need a pair of shoes and something after practice, man.
Do up, man. Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you.
All right.
My man. Do up.
Yep.
You combine that with a great workout.
You got it.
Watch out. NBA.
Steiner?
defense.